Back to the 800 meters. Now, David Rudisha of Kenya, 140.91 is the world record. Look at the Sri Lankan there. We've got Gadade. We've got Harsha Karunaratna of Sri Lanka at the back straight. This is the first of the 400 meters as they will now slowly and gradually start coming in. The advantage all now withered away. The two Indians lying in 4 and 5. The leader of the pack there is Sombadur Kumar of Nepal. Nepal is yet to win a gold out here. Are they looking at a big one? He's looking strong. They come from the high altitudes. It's always been the 400 meters where you always had the Africans out here. We now come to the last 400 meters. The Kenyans, of course, you also had the United States, Algeria, Canada, Great Britain. But look at these athletes out here. Sombadur Kumar holding on. You got Gadade and Mogali Venkatraman still at the center of the pack. They'll have to open up from here on. Gadade now trying to make a breakthrough. Likewise is Mogali Venkatraman. Gadade on the outside. Mogali on the inside. They're boxed by the two in the front. The Sri Lankans are also looking strong. You have the Nepalese Sombadur Kamal doing a wonderful job there. This is close. Look at that finish coming up now. Is it Gadade from the outside? Is it the Nepalese? Is it the Sri Lankan? The Sri Lankan seems to going up there. Looks as if he's taken it away. For sure. Harsha Karunaratna of Sri Lanka. What a race he ran, this boy. Harsha Karunaratna for Sri Lanka, leaving the others behind, but super race also for Sombadur Kamal of Nepal. And the Indians, perhaps, here he is Harsha, 151.96. That's not a meet record, but nevertheless, 151.96 for Karunaratne, followed by Sombadur, 152.03. They pick up a silver, Nepal, and Mogali with 152.37 for India, a bronze. But hats off to the